Hello and welcome to our video on how to make money online in 5 easy steps. In this video, we will be sharing with you some simple yet effective ways to earn money online. Step 1, find a niche. The first step to making money online is finding a niche that you are passionate about and knowledgeable in. For example, if you enjoy fitness, you could create a blog or YouTube channel about fitness tips and workouts. Step 2, create content. Once you have found your niche, you need to create valuable content for your audience. This could be in the form of blog posts, videos, ebooks, or online courses. Make sure your content is informative and engaging. Step 3, build your audience. The next step is to build an audience for your content. You can do this by promoting your content on social media platforms, guest posting on other blogs, and networking with others in your niche. Step 4, monetize your content. Once you have built an audience, you can start monetizing your content. This could be through affiliate marketing, sponsored content, or selling digital products. Step 5, scale up your business. Finally, you can scale up your business by expanding your reach and creating more content. You can also consider hiring freelancers or outsourcing tasks to free up your time and focus on growing your business. In conclusion, making money online is possible if you are willing to put in the effort and follow these simple steps. We hope this video has been helpful to you. Thank you for watching.